Yes, hello everyone, and you're welcome to 2 Minutes Talk with Odurole Mojibola. And today we're going to be discussing the two most important skills that is needed for a successful footwear brand. Sit back and I'll be right back. Class, like I said, I'm going to be discussing with us the two most important skills that is needed to run a successful footwear brand. The first thing is the designing skill. You should be able to design, patterns. You must be able to be creative with whatever designs you are going to be producing as a footwear brand, because what makes you stand out is your designs. And I have found out that you have to understand color combinations. Although majorly now you hear about color block, but then you have to make sure that you understand color. Color is key. Your design is a major tool for a successful brand. Yes, I understand there are so many trending design. You must be able to add your own feature to every of these design, so that you will be able to have distinctive designs at the end of the day. The second thing is your marketing skill. You definitely need a marketing skill. If you produce a very unique design and you are not marketing it, it's as good as not producing anything. So I want you to know that it's a major key. These are two major keys you cannot do without. I'm sure somebody's already concluding on themselves. I can't do this. I don't know how to draw. I don't know how to design. I don't know how to market. I want you to know that you have two options. One, you can acquire the skill. Two, you can outsource for this skill. So you can employ somebody to do them for you. If you can produce shoe, you can employ somebody to market. If you can market, you can employ somebody to produce the footwear. And if your own case, you find out that, I can acquire the skill, then create time to acquire the skill, and you'll be surprised. Like, my channel is an avenue to acquire the skill. I want you to know that these are the two major things you can't do without when it comes to a successful shoe making brand. Now, today, if you have learned anything, I want you to tell me in the comment section. Thank you for being part of today's talk. I'm going to see you on Saturday for another class. Bye.